dịka Chineke, onye dịka Chineke, onye. Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. welcome. No, my people, ndị nkem. I'm going to teach you how to sing in Igbo language, though there will be other videos though, but you know, we are still posting videos. All right, so we are going to use a name to sing, which is Onyedikachukwu. Onyedikachukwu. Onyedikachukwu means what? Who can tell me? Onyedikachukwu means who is like God. Who is like God. If you've not watched the video of Igbo names and their meaning, please go ahead and watch it so that you know you'll be part of us. So Onyedikachukwu. Who is like God? Who is like God? Nobody. Nobody is like God. Tell me who is like God. Nobody is like God. That is the song we're going to sing. Onyedikachukwu. So that Chukwu is God. Chineke also means God. So Chineke is God creates, right? So ready? Let's begin. Kanyibido. Kanyibido abo. Abo means song, like song, right? Kanyibido. Let's start. Onyedika Chineke. Onye like onye means who. You are kind of asking question. Onye, who is like God? Onye. You get it, so that it will be sweet now. So Onyedika Chineke. Onyedika Chineke. Gwanum Onyedika Chineke. That is gwanumu. Tell me now. So gwam is tell me. So gwanumu, tell me now. Gwanumu Onyedika Chineke. Gwanum Onyedika Chineke. Onyedika Chineke. Onyedika Chineke. Onyedika Chineke. Gwanum Onyedika Chineke. So tell me who is like God. That is gwanumu Onyedika Chineke. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this song. So maybe if you are washing, or you are bathing, or you are cooking, or you are doing anything, you can just be singing this song. Onyedika Chineke. Onyedika Chineke. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and also share this video. Also subscribe if you haven't done that. And yeah, catch ya in my next video.